Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I have Happy Mail today from Botanical Yarns, and it says fragile on it, so let's see what's in it, shall we? Let me just see if I can get into it. I hope you're all well, guys. I hope you're all well. We're having a having a bit of work done, guys. We're having a bit of work done. I've got somebody coming in, put a new loft ladder in, or attic, however you call it. We call it a loft, but I know we call it an attic, whatever. Anyway, we're getting ladders put in, and I'm stripping, got somebody to come in and strip all the wallpaper off the walls and the hall stairs and landing, and then I've got somebody to come in and plaster. So there we go, nicely presented. Woo woo. Sorry for knocking the ladder, the camera. Oh, it's the oh, let me see what it is. I think I know what it is. I think it's the January the first 14 days of January. Oh wow, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see it? I hope you can see it, guys. Isn't that, it's a pin that will go on one of my notions bags, or my that's lovely. Let's see what I've got in the other one. Oh, look at them. Little stitch markers. Look at them, they're beautiful. Look at them beads and the little flower. Isn't that lovely? So I've got 14 days to open up, so let's get to it, shall we? Guys, what's my favourite colour? What's my favourite colour? Purple. Look, I think these are all, if I'm not mistaken, I think these are all purples, or different shades of purples, and they're all little minis. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, who's a happy bunny, guys? Who's a happy bunny? Yeah, they're all purple, and then I've got a lovely lilac. I'm getting quite a collection of minis, guys. Anybody got any ideas on what I can make with the minis? Sorry, Siri talking to me. Oh, this is nice. Look, it's got a bit of burgundy, I would say aubergine colour. Aren't they lovely? Oh, I'm chuffed to bits with these, guys. So we're on day 4 now. Oh, a different shade of purple. These are, if I'm not mistaken, I think there's a pattern with this, and that's like an orchid. I would say that's an orchid colour. Would you say that, with the purples in and all different colours? And I think this is a deep, I'm not sure whether it's a DK weight. I'll have to have a look. I'll put it in the description box below. Oh, I like this one too. Look at all the darker colours, the darker shades, little specks. Do you know what I would like, guys? I would like a cream coloured yarn with duck egg blue and brown in, you know, like yeah, I would really like to find a yarn that is mainly cream with specks of duck egg blue and brown in. I bet that would be gorgeous. So that's that. And then let's see what else I've got. So that was 6. This is 7. Oh, this is like a very pale, very pale lilac. And then we've got, let's see what else I've got. Let's see what else I've got. Oh, this has got pinks in it. Oh, that's nice. That's all nice. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with this. I think it's all finger weight yarn. It's all finger weight yarn, so I might put 2 together and make a hat or cowl set. I might make a hat and cowl set for myself. What do you think? You can never have too many hats and cowls. And in fact, I think I might do that. I might do a little bit of colour work with it. And this is again similar to the previous colour. Just 3 more to go, guys, and then I'll lift them all up while they're in there. I'm putting them back in the dates. There we go. That's nice too, isn't it? I've already ordered my one advent for this year because I'm hoping to do Vlogmas. I wanted to do Vlogmas last year, but unfortunately I didn't get to do it. Oh, I like this colour. This is nice. And I know this is Superwash Merino, 75%. 75% superwash merino, 25 nylon. So that was number 12. Just 2 more to go. Oh, I like this one. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. Very nice. Or what I might do is I might get oh, I like that one too. And this is the last one, guys. So that is my, I think it's my January solstice box. I will put in the description box below anyway, guys. So I put this in the description box, but isn't that nice? Really like the stitch markers. They're lovely from Botanical yarn, and you all know, guys, I love Botanical yarn, but that is quite heavy, that, guys, quite heavy. It's like it's got kind of a chair with a bag on it that's got weight coming out of it. I'll put it closer so you can see. So thank you again, Sophie at Botanical Yarns. Absolutely love her yarn. And I made this with Botanical Yarns, my Stephen West twist and turn shawl with Botanical Yarns. I can't recommend them highly enough. What I'll do is I'll put in the description box below their website. Go and check them out. And so that's all from me for today. Thank you all so much for coming by. If you don't leave a comment, that's fine, but please do leave a thumbs up, because that helps me with the algorithms. I couldn't say that. Oh no. And I haven't had any drink either, guys. In fact, I've just had my coffee, so I should be okay. So anyway, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye.